I'm 12.
How old are
I'm
you?
18.
Okay, you guys have come to the Texas Numismatic Association. Isaiah, why have you come here?
I have come here because my brother loves collecting coins, and I do too.
Yeah. And how about you, Eric? Why are you here?
I came to just buy some coins and currency.
Yeah. And what have your parents gotten you into coins, or how did you get into coins?
I got into coins because my brother watched videos.
Yeah. Okay. And what kind of coins do you collect?
I connect United States coins.
Okay. And how about it, Eric?
I collect the same United States coins.
What's your favorite series?
My favorite series, that's pretty hard. I would say the Morgan dollar.
What? And how about you, Isaiah?
Mine's probably like 2 cents.
Yeah, cool. Those are hard to find. And how would we get other young people into coin collecting? What would you say to other young people to start collecting coins? Why?
I would say they should start collecting by like seeing cool, like just looking around for like coins that interest them, and just start buying them.
And how about you, Eric?
Just getting it out there with maybe children's books so they can start young, or just get it out there more, I guess advertisement, something like that.
And what do you guys want to be when you're older?
I want to be a computer hardware engineer.
And me, I think I would be a coin dealer or own a coin shop somewhere.
Well,
That'd be nice.
Well, cool. Well, are you guys good collecting?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And Brendan, you're here at the Texas Numismatic Association Coin Convention.
Yes,
Why
sir.
did you come to the convention?
I came to the convention so I could learn more about coins and grow my collection further.
And how old are you?
I'm currently 17 years old.
How long have you been coin collecting?
I've been collecting coins for about 4.5 years now.
And what started you in your coin collecting?
Well, I was at a gun show with my dad, and he gave me $5 to buy a few coins. And before then, I'd been studying coins a little bit, but after he gave me $5, I started collecting, and my collection's been growing ever since.
What's the most interesting thing about coin collecting?
And there's nothing like owning a little morsel of history in your hands that's touched hundreds of people's lives over 100 years ago.